Well, we're in Butchart Gardens, and we're about to go that way. There's the sign. They don't allow selfie sticks, so I'm thinking this handle here counts as a selfie stick, so I'm not going to extend it up, so you might see some imperfections in the 360. Okay? Sorry. And right here, it's there's a map, and it says start, and so we're going to go around that way. Of course, those were shops and restaurants and stuff there. And it does say start here, and look what I found. It's Janet. So I don't know if you can see these flowers, but there's a whole range of colors and bees. Look at that tree with the white things hanging off it. These irises have just passed their bloom. Or maybe they were tulips. Well, it looks like a mixture of everything. Including a rhododendron. And bees. So here's the hanging gardens. And the gardens in the rocks. It's a very shady place, and you know, we're way out of town, like in the forest, you might say. A detour. This red one. Wow, look at that. But I see a tunnel. Oh, I thought it was a tunnel. I guess it wasn't. So, needless to say, they have a lot of flowers here. And most of them are at peak bloom, I would say. Here's some tulips, lots of them. So you can see how big it is. Of course, this is just part of it. Up steps to sunken garden. This is like a redwood forest. See that? You can smell it. It smells like a lumberyard. Wait a minute. So, we're there. I'm recording both cameras simultaneously. Oh, this is a sunken garden. This must be an elevator to get down. Oh, look at this. It's like a stump. No, that's not an elevator. No, let's take the stairs. Then we can walk through. Ooh, look. So we're going down the stairs into the sunken garden, they call it. And there's a few stairs, but they're very shallow. Not tall. Easy walking down. Maybe not so easy coming up. Well, they sure like these, don't they? They're everywhere. Rhododendrons and azaleas for their glory.
唔係，因為隻山都可能加到，一隻多薄樹上都。The color of these things is just so pretty.
I think it's to keep you out of the grass, not out of the planters.
Oh, almost there.
good for, like, that would be
Gave you
actually,
a book with the name.
oh, they might have some of them book or something. But those would be, because then you could represent them, you know? Give you an idea.
I've never. Au contraire, in terms of the dollar store, I think it's really inventive. How stupid would it be? Oh, I got these ones.
This is the Session Garden Lake. I'm led to believe.
And they said that's a weeping sequoia.
Ah, not a willow, I guess. This up here. So this was a quarry.
Yeah, we see so much this right? Ask someone else. And he says, he says, was Santa there?
Wonder if you can get your tree from over here.
Yeah.
Look at that shot down. Look, it's the king of the world.
Hopefully. So don't let you go that way. So you go this way. Somebody else's.
Look on what it's.
I don't want you to go right. You want to go this way.
Yeah, they got a lot of planting to do here. New planting, I should say. Things are heading in the middle.
Call that a concert lawn, and there's the stage. Back over there. Yes, it's perfect. Let's walk through there. I don't think we're gonna wrap.
I was happy I got off. That was only an hour and a half.
Look at the giant butterflies.
Oh,
The plants.
it's still here.
All right, right down here. I guess you're supposed to walk in the grass here. It's a monkey tree.
Hey, it's right there.
Monkey puzzle tree.
Daniel! He was taking pictures of the totem pole.
Do you see the owl? And the giant redwood? Oh man!
That big. Coast redwood. Planted in 1934.
And look at the
Sequoia
size of
sempervirens.
wow.
Tulip tree.
I love tulip trees. There's a nice breeze blowing through. Wow, those are pretty irises. Look at the peach ones.
That's the rose garden. This is the rose garden.
I believe so. Because none of these are roses.
I don't know what he said.
None of the roses are blooming. See, they're just getting ready. Boy, in another month, this will be a sea of color, right? Not right now.
Rose garden is closed.
Look at the black irises.
Almost. These irises.
They're almost black. Super dark purple.
You know, the rose garden in McKinley when I got married. I always wondered why garden snakes hang out in the garden.
Bamboo tower.
Ranunculus.